So I told Erica, my goal, Erica, is to return to Monaco in 2012 and win that race again.
Mr. Hoyt came here and had the courage to seek out the best doctors possible, and he found the best doctors possible.
By all counts, I should have been dead and buried 12 months ago, and I know my story is just really, truly a miracle. Everyone said, Dr. Warlick, that's who you've got to see. I remember she said to me at our very first meeting, we need to cure you. Those children need a father. I have small kids. And I knew that she was going to take care of me like I was her own dad.
We at the Masonic Cancer Center have a wide variety of researchers. We have folks who work in the lab and do basic science. Those are our PhDs. We have clinicians who work in the various clinics. And we have epidemiologists who do population-based studies. And all of those components working together help us to better understand the disease biology and then help better understand how to develop therapies so that we can treat the patient. And that's the most important thing, is treating the patient.
It was clear to me that they all got together at some point, whether it was nightly or daily or whatever, and they communicated to each other, you know, what each of us patients needed and how we were responding to the various treatments.
The team that we work with here, they check their egos at the door, and we just sit down, roll up our sleeves and say, okay, what are we going to do? What are we going to do today? We're all excited about what we're doing, and that's palpable, and that's something that I think that feeds off of everyone that works here.
When you get to a crossroads and someone has done really well, and you get to give that good news that they're on the right path, that's incredibly rewarding. And so this is a cool job because I get to have some role in touching people's lives, and that's pretty monumental.
A lot of people don't know that you can study something like a little fish, a zebrafish, that can be very informative for us to understand about disease mechanisms. And so you can take these little fish and you can knock out a gene within those fish, and they can help us to understand more about disease. And so that is one thing that we would like to test in zebrafish about MDS.
You know, very direct. I'm sort of a rip the Band-Aid off kind of guy. I don't want, you know, somebody to just pussyfoot around the problem. So let's just figure it out and then deal with it. And at the Masonic Cancer Center there, it was just the personal dedication and interest that I sensed, you know, on the part of Dr. Warlick and Dr. Ross. They're really emotionally, personally invested in finding a cure. And thank goodness we have them, because otherwise I know I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for the research and the dedication these people have. I called my dad from Monaco. I said, here I am at 55 years old, roofer from Richfield, and I'm racing in Monaco. I said, you can take me now, it doesn't get any better than this.